With FlipBook Creator, you can create a flipbook with music and audio to engage your audience. You can also insert a local, YouTube or Vimeo video to the flipbook by a page editor. With videos inserted, your flipbook will be more interactive and more attractive.
After billions of years lying in the dark.
First Flip powered by HTML5 and hosted online. The flipbook works right in a browser, so you and your viewers can access the content instantly. Do you know how to create a professional digital flipbook? You just need the professional HTML5 FlipBook Creator software. First FlipBook Creator. There are only 3 steps. Step 1. Import the PDF you want to convert. Step 2. Customize the appearance and add interactive elements. Step 3. Upload your HTML5 flipbook, share the link or embed the flipbook on your website. Your flipbooks will engage at the first glance. Get started on First Flip.